Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we will learn how to make organic kitchen waste compost at our home for free of cost. So watch the video till end so that you learn all how to make compost. So without wasting any of our time, let's get started. So for making compost, you have to take at least 10 inches deep container. Now our first step is to make a dry leaf bed at the bottom. So we will make a dry leaf. If you don't have dry leaves, you can use newspaper or normal paper also. So I have make a bed at the bottom. So now we will make a layer of soil. So make a layer of soil. You can use any soil. It can be compost soil also, and it can be normal garden soil also. It's your wish which soil you want to add. Make sure your soil has no stones like this. So I have made a layer of soil. Now it's time to add our kitchen waste. You can use any kitchen waste, but make sure your kitchen waste has no plastic. So add kitchen waste day by day, and then I will share. Make sure to cover your bin. Don't leave it open. Add waste day by day. You can see the microorganisms. These are all useful microorganisms, not harmful, so don't worry. This helps to decompose our waste, these microorganisms. At this stage we will add some soil again. Make at least 1 or 2 inch layer of soil again. Now add kitchen waste again day by day. So at this stage we will again make a layer of soil of about 1 inch, and you need not to add kitchen waste now, because whenever you add kitchen waste it will go down and down and your bin will never fill. So this is the final step to cover our waste with soil mix. You can use any soil mix. So this we have done. Now you need not to add kitchen waste. Now we will water it. Now we will water a shower. Water it little bit, because water is main, then only your compost will make. So we will water, and make sure your pot has drainage hole also. At least you have 2 drainage hole because water can drain out. Otherwise your bin will fill with water and it smells a lot. So you have drainage hole. So let's see when it will ready to use. So stay with me. After 15 days we will up down the soil and always wear mask while doing this work because it smells a lot. So take a stick like this, you can take and up down the soil. You can see our compost is very wet now. It smells a lot, but you have to adjust if you want to make compost at our home. And now we will again wait for 15 days and then we will put our compost in sun to dry, and after that our compost will be 15 days later. Now up down the soil again, and now we will spread it in a sunny location and stay with me. So I spread it here. This is my garden, you can see. So we will spread it and you can see. See the compost. Now let it be dry and spread it with a stick or any tool and dry it for 1 day at least. So let's meet after 1 day. So our compost has dried. Now we will collect it in a container like this. Just let me collect and then I will share you. So I have collected my compost. Now I will filter it and then I will share you. So our compost is ready. You can see how dark our compost is. So, and this is the waste. This you can use in again in making compost. And this, so in this video you see how we make compost from our kitchen waste very easily. So if you liked this video, so please click the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel with the red button and click the bell icon also, so that you can receive all my notifications whenever I upload videos. So we will meet in next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.